I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on knives. Now, in this playlist we look at different kind of folding knives, fixed blade knives, kitchen knives, just whatever interests me at the time. And this was from the 2023 Christmas specials. 7-inch fixed blade knife. There we go. Here's the information on the back if you want to stop and check that out. Wal-Mart brand, Ozark Trails. Not expecting a whole lot out of this thing, but for $5, can't really go wrong. Let's open this thing up and look at it. There we go. Take it out of here. Open it up this way. There we go. Take that out, set it right here. Now let's get this sheath out of here. This is going to be the trick. So let's just take this and cut it down this way. There we go. There we go. A little bit tougher than it looks. Go ahead and cut this down. See what happens right here. There we go. Shouldn't be this hard, should it? There we go. Just throw this away. Put that in the recycle box over here. Right here's the tip guard that came on it. Fold this back up. I've got so many different razor knives, I always have to look at it twice to figure out how to close them. Here's the tip guard, and it goes on like this. Anyway, let's throw that away. Here's the knife itself. You can see it has blue accents on there. Makes it stand out pretty good. I like that. Full tang. Jimping right here. Here's the hold on a minute, it'll come back to me. Anyway, here's the whole Ozark Trail branding. Places for your fingers right here. It does seem pretty comfortable. No issues with that at all. I'm having a brain burp right now. I'm having a brain burp. I'm going to get it before this video's over. The type of blade this is. Anyway, it has a hole here for your lanyard. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's look at the sheath. This is very hard to... Right there, very stiff. I'm afraid if you use it a whole lot, it might break on you. How's it fit in here? It's not falling out, but it's not 100% secure. There you go, now it's not shaking. Got holes in the sheath right here all the way around. Not too bad. I can easily push it with my thumb to get it off. You see right here where you push your thumb, or pushing it off, has a little bit of gimping right there, jimping, whatever you want to call it. Not bad at all. I don't have huge hands, but I can put 3 fingers on it with no problem, or just put all 4. I don't think I want to put a whole lot of cutting with this, but it'll work. Especially for $5, right? And you know what? I am going to, still having a brain burp. I know all y'all are saying in the background, I can't believe you can't remember the name of that blade style. But you know how it is sometimes where you know what it is, you just can't remember what it is. So, I'm going to look it up. I'll be right back. Here we go. Tonto. That's the blade style this is. Not my favorite, but let's go ahead and look at this. Straight out of the package. Straight out of the package. It does cut. Not the best cutting. But it is cutting. Anyway, $5 at Walmart. Now, if it didn't have these accents on here, this bluish colored accents, I don't think I would have bought it, because it'd been just like any other plain Tonto blade style knife out there. And I especially do not like this belt clip. But this would be a good knife to throw in your toolbox, glove compartment of your truck. Anything like that. Tackle box. If you got one of these for 2023 Christmas season, and you like it, you don't like it, or you just have it sitting in a box somewhere, let us know what you're going to do with yours. Now, I might personally just go ahead and put this one in my toolbox, or put it in the toolbox that's on my tractor. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.